Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to teach you how to design your homepage for your classroom website, which has a welcome text, an announcement board, and a few buttons for the classroom pages. Let's start our tutorial video. Before this, I would like to tell that next time after you have logged into your Wix account, you can click Site Actions, rename site, then give a name for your website. For example, classroom website. Then, if you want to edit your website, click this again, then click Edit Site. First of all, we need to remove this image to replace it with announcement board. Click this image, then click again until it shows Change Column Background. Click Change Column Background, then select Color. Let's pick this color. Now, the image is replaced with this color. Close these two windows. Then, let's delete this Book a Lesson button because we don't need it for our website classroom. Now, go to here. Select this text. Hold your Shift key on your keyboard. Then click another text below it. Release Shift key. Click this text and hold it. Then drag this out and release your mouse button. After that, scroll down. Click this area. Then you will see this tiny arrow. Click it but don't release your mouse button. Drag it out. Then release your mouse button. Then scroll out. Click it again until it cannot reduce the height anymore. Then click this area again until it shows column 2. Click this layout icon. Then select left. You will see that this dotted line have moved to left a bit. Then close this window. Next, go to Add button. Click it. Select Box. Then select Thin Boxes. Choose this rectangle shape. Click and hold it. Drag to this area. Now, click and drag this rectangle to center. Resize it and make sure it stays between the dotted lines. Next, we go to Change Design. Select Customize Design. Select Fill Color and Opacity. Then click here, select this white color. For the next step, we will going to add some text for our announcement board. So, go to Add button, select Text, select Thin Text, click and hold this heading tree, then drag it out. Then release it. You may need to move the rectangle downwards a bit and adjust the heading tree position. Now, click Heading Tree. Click Edit Text and change to Announcement. Close this window. Next, we go to Add button again, select Text, select Thin Text, click this I am a paragraph. Drag to this area until you see the message attached to box. Next, we will going to move and resize this text box. After that, we want to put our announcement for the students inside this text box. Click Edit Text. Go to here. Select bullets and numberings. Select the second one. Now, we can type our announcement into this text box. For example, for 3A students, please submit your exercise before 8th of January 2021 Friday. So, this is just an example. You can put other announcements also. All depends on you. Next, we need to change our welcome text because we are building a classroom website, not a private lessons online. Click this text. Click Edit Text. Then, we type in our welcome text. For example, Hi students. Next, we need to change the text below it. Click Edit Text. For example, this is Mr. Ting Classroom website. After that, click this area. Click this layout button. Align content to right. Close it. You may need to adjust the position of the text. Now, we have done our welcome text and announcement board. You can go to here to preview your design. If you want to go back, just click back to editor. First, scroll down. Click this area. Click this Manage Columns button. Make sure that Manage Columns window is shown. Pick column 1. Delete. After that, click this area again. Click Manage Columns again and close it. Next, we need to delete all unwanted text in this area except for this one. After that, we need to drag all these nice looking icons to one area because we may need to reuse it later. Then click this area, click Manage Columns, click again, pick second column, delete it, click this rectangle also, and delete. So for next step, we need to resize this box. Before this, you need to move this icon to the left but not outside of the box. Then click at the box. Resize it by changing both of the values to 250. Hit enter. Then go to click this text. Adjust the length shorter than the box and put it inside. Then click this icon. We want to align the icon to the center. Go to Toolbar, click Align button, click Align to Center. Now you have done the first design. Before moving on, I need to explain this is the box that will later change into a button for students to click it. So let's say I am a teacher who is teaching 5 classes, mathematics for 3A, 4A, 5A classes, and science for 3A and 4A classes. So I need to create 5 classroom pages for each subject class. Therefore, I need to create 5 buttons for each classroom page. But if you are teaching 3 classes only, then you just only need to create 3 buttons. So, we need to duplicate this box 4 times. Select it, go to toolbar, click these duplicate buttons 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, let's rearrange them. Make sure you click the box to move it. After you rearrange the boxes, go to click the text to change the title to your class subject name. For example, 3A Mathematics. Next, you may need to change the icon for each box depends on your subject. For example, these 3 boxes are for mathematics subject and I want to change to this icon. Delete these 3 icons. Then select this, duplicate, drag inside, repeat the steps. Another thing you need to do is align all these icons to the center. Select, go to toolbar, click here, align to center, align to middle. Now, I will repeat the same steps for other 2 classes. After you have done your design, you can remove all the icons at the below. The next step we are going to do is clean our website page. First, we need to resize this section. Scroll down, you will see a tiny arrow. Click it and drag it out. Then click this zoom out and reorder icon. Scroll down. We will delete these 2 sections because we are not going to use them. Go to here, delete section. But for this section, we cannot delete it from here because it is a footer. So let's exit zoom out. Then scroll to the bottom. Click this area, click manage columns, click again, select second column, delete it. Then delete other things also. After that, scroll to here, click and hold this tiny arrow. Pull it out until all the purple section is gone. Now, I will teach how to create a contact button. So, contact button is a button which when a student clicks it, it will jump to your WhatsApp number. First of all, move this toolbar to the center. Then, select this message icon here. Delete it. Next, go to Add button. Go to Icon button. Drag this out and put it here. Then, right-click this button and select Pin to Screen. Change the horizontal offset to 150. Then close it. Click back this button. Click this link button here. Then go to web address. You can actually put your phone number, but it is better to put your WhatsApp link. Go to web address, type www.wasap.my/your phone number. Click Done. Now, you can go to preview and try to click this button. It will prompt you to open the WhatsApp. The last thing we want to do before the end of this video is to design the header of the website. First, click here, click Layout button, then choose 40 to 60. Then select this horizontal menu, delete it, and also delete this locking bar. Then click here, click Layout button again, choose Right. Then click this text, click Edit Text, change to the name you want, for example, Mr. Ting Classroom website. Close it, then move the text outward, then adjust the position of the icon, then resize the header. You may also need to further adjust the position and the size of the icon and website title to make it perfect. Now, you have successfully designed your classroom website. Remember to save your website. You can now preview your website by clicking Preview button. So, this is the homepage of your classroom website. This is the end of the video. In the next video, I will show you how to design a classroom page that you will use it to display the learning materials for the students. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.